Aria nigo bono Abarai bekanisa na BOIGO Abarai Abasae Cross County Machakos basokire na gukwandra ukuganya gukorororo kwa Abasae gwesokia sobonge kubwate bibande na kwerikia koba bakichikura yarigo chigokora amonchoreria ase ogochora Abarai Abaya sobachorio banana umwako gocha chinga kichiri Abarai bekanisa baborire serikali mukege tambokero yokone kyabuna kugikeriere hembwa ya rokanira samatuka bwangwega hasa Abasae babere bagotumekwa korenta chibura buru asemesangerekano au ya gesiasa.
Talking of responsibility, what you are given to do, are you doing it? What you promise to do, are you doing it? Are you responsible as a leader, as a person, wherever you are? Then we are talking of inclusion. We are calling upon the young people to be included in tables of decision making rather than the tables of discussions. You know, it's one thing to discuss and is another thing to make decisions. So we are calling upon the young people to be involved in taking positions and vying for positions.
In the coming next year, I want to encourage youth. Let's go and have vote and start thinking whom and who will we choose. Nani anapaswa kusimama kwa ile kiti? Nani yeye anafaa? Tusindanganyike kwa uongo kwamba fulani na fulani ataweza. Sisi kama viongozi, kama vijana tunaweza. Na tunaweza kusimama kwa gap na tuweze kubandilisha nchi na tuweze kujenga hata in the background where we are coming from.
In terms of what I call very obvious cases that yes, it's been obvious that goons are inventing even churches, meetings, and it's worrying that no much action is taken against this. And that is why we are calling upon, and I made this clear, calling upon the relevant authorities. Because again, it is within their mandate, it's within their power to act. Because if those that are in leadership are crying, just like the common mwananchi, about gonism. So now who is helping?